What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Phenyx Pro PTU 5000 4-channel wireless microphone system. So what we have here is a UHF wireless microphone system. It has 4 different already preset frequencies that each one of the microphones run off of. They all powered by AA batteries, 2 AA batteries apiece. The batteries are said to last up to 8 hours, or at least 8 hours per brand new battery pack. And they also come with the batteries already in the box. You get the power adapter, you get a 6.5 millimeter audio cable, you get the user manual, you get 2 antennas, 4 rubber band microphones, and 4-channel UHF wireless receiver with mixed XLR and 1/4 inch outputs, meaning you can run this from one single microphone jack on your mixer or your controller and use all 4 of your different microphones. Big shout out to Cleveland Terry. I watch your channel all the time, and he's the first one that put me up on this setup. So they reached out to me as well, probably about the same time that they reached out to him, and they wanted me to review these. So make sure you guys go check out his channel, Cleveland Terry. He's a good mobile DJ with a lot of cool videos out there. So let's just unbox this bad boy. You know how we do on this channel. Within the next 2 weeks, we'll have out the full review. I actually have an event that I'm going to be throwing with these, so I'll actually put them to use out there in the wild and see if you guys are getting any type of feedback, if we're getting any type of audio dropouts while we use this, and so on and so forth with the testing procedure. Alright. Let's see what first comes in the box. First thing you get here is your owner's manual, of course. Next thing we get is the 2 antennas. Next up is the 19-inch rack mount receiver. All right. And they have the mix out, as well as 4 separate outputs here, along with the connections for your antenna. And on the front, you have your 4 different volume control knobs and your 2 quick display screens. Next, you have your 8 AA batteries. We have 4 rubber bands for your microphone to go around the top part. You also have a 1/4 inch to the 1/8 inch adapter. And of course, the power brick for the transceiver. And you have 4 of these microphones. Pull them out. Alright, here are the microphones. They definitely have some weight to them, and I actually like that. It has a nice feel of quality about them. I like when my microphones do have some metal in them, and it's good to see that they do have a metal insert here. I actually like the weight on that. You also have your on-off switch all the way at the bottom. Put your batteries in here. And you also have your LCD screen in the front. I think it's just like a fake screen, like a decal that kind of shows you what the actual frequency is of these different microphones. But they feel good in the hand. They're not too heavy, but they feel heavy enough to reassure you that you don't have a toy that you guys are working with here. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like these unboxing videos. And as always, thanks for watching.